Hello, you. It's me, Christine Blosdale. I am the international best-selling author of your amazing itty bitty podcast book, The Top 15 Reasons Why You Need to Tap into the Power and Profits of Podcasting. But I'm here to tell you about this amazing group, this amazing program called the Boss AF Bootcamp. It's a boot camp online. You don't have to pack a camping bag or anything like that. No tents required. It's a boot camp meets every 2 weeks, and it's for entrepreneurs. And we cover everything that you can imagine: logos, branding, social media, how to get yourself out there in podcasts and radio, and doing promotional videos, all of those things in order to enhance your business or your brand. I can't tell you how wonderful these boot campers are, your fellow boot campers that you're going to meet real soon as you sign up. These people are some of the brightest, funniest, amazingly supportive people I know. And they are the boot campers that you're going to be getting to know as well. They're so amazing, you're going to want to sign up. Make sure you check out all the details below. You can do monthly, you can do annually, and you can cancel your membership at any time. It's a win-win-win because you're going to get so much information, and every single session is recorded for you and available to you 24/7. What are you waiting for? Okay, stop watching this video and click on the subscribe and get into the boot camps. We're going to have a great time. See you then.